we'll guide you through how to build with Claude in the most up-to-date way. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Claude website on your desktop. Once you're there, sign in with your account details. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by clicking on the Sign Up button. After logging in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, look for the Create New Project button, usually located at the top or the sidebar, and click it. This will open a new project window where you can enter the name and description of your project. Next, you'll want to set up your development environment. Go to the Environment tab and choose your preferred programming language and framework. Claude supports a range of languages, so select the one that best suits your project needs. Now, you'll need to add resources to your project. Click on the Resources tab and upload any necessary files or libraries you need for your build. Make sure these files are in compatible formats to avoid any issues later. Once your environment and resources are ready, you can start coding. Use the built-in code editor on Claude, which offers syntax highlighting and auto-completion to make the coding process smoother. As you code, regularly save your progress by clicking the Save button. It's usually located in the editor's toolbar. When you're ready to test your build, go to the Build and Run section. Here, you can compile your code and run it to check for errors. If there are any issues, the console will display error messages, which you need to address before proceeding. After successful testing, you can deploy your build. Navigate to the Deploy tab, where you can choose your hosting options. Claude offers several hosting solutions, so pick one that matches your project's requirements. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the deployment. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.